How to delete all games in Roblox. Hey everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll be showing you the steps to eliminate all games from your Roblox account. To start, launch your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then go to roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. From this page, you have to click on the Create option in the top. And once you do that, in order to see all the games linked to your account, and to remove a game, click on the three dots beside it and click on Archive. Archiving a game turns it private and stops any ongoing services. Repeat this for each game you want to erase. Similarly, on the Roblox Studio app, find the game you wish to delete, tap on the three dots, same like this, and choose Archive. Confirm the action and the game will be removed from your Roblox creations. So this is how you can delete, remove, or archive games on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.